We now have question 11 to have a go at. I've already put an extra little bit on my diagram here. We're asked to integrate, well, we're not asked to integrate, we're asked to find an area. Whenever we see area and curve together, we should be thinking this is integration. So I've got my two endpoints. This one starts at 3 and ends at 6, so I should immediately be thinking the integral between 3 and 6. However, that's only going to give me this shaded bit, this orange highlighted bit underneath the diagram. It's never going to give me this bit, because integration gives you the area under the curve between two limits. But this shape here forms a trapezium, and if we've got a trapezium, that means we're quite happy in doing area of a trapezium, take away this orange bit to give us our shaded area at the end. So we're going to have a go at this. So this is question 11. We need to do the integral from 3 to 6, and we're integrating x squared minus 8x plus 18 dx. So if we integrate this, we raise the power by 1, so we get x cubed and divide by 3, minus 8x. We're going to raise the power by 1, we get 2, we're going to divide by 2, plus 18, raise the power of x by 1, we get x. If you want over 1, but you don't have to do the over 1. 3 and 6. We could simplify this if we want, we could put the entire thing in a calculator. I'm just going to stick it in my calculator. So this gives us 6 cubed over 3 minus 4, I'm going to cancel my 8 and my 2. 6 squared. I'm going to write it like this because it means I can change the 6's into 3's later on for the other limit. Plus 18, 6 equals 36. So for the first one, we're going to sub in 6, giving us 36, minus, we're now going to sub in 3. So I can actually go back and change all of these into 3's. Press equals and I get 27, which equals 36 take 27, gives us an answer of 9. So our orange area underneath here has an area of 9. What we're going to do now is work out the trapezium. So we have a trapezium that looks like this. It's got a base between 3 and 6, because it starts at x is 3 and ends with x is 6. So it's got a base of 3 here. This height has got a 3 and this height has got a 6. If we remember back to secondary, we have our formula for the area of a trapezium, which is 1/2 a plus b times h. A plus b are these two, height is this, so we've got 1/2 3 plus 6 times 3. So we've got 1/2 of 9 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27, which is 27 over 2. Which, if we wanted to change it, 26 would be 13, which is 13.5. So our shaded region is 13.5, take 9, which is 4.5. If you want unit squared as a unit for area, if there isn't one given in the question. 9 over 2 would have done as well. That's exactly the same thing but given as a fraction.